Hey Beasts, I hope you guys are having a nice night. And I just want to say this video is going to be another My Leg video for the Thomas Tank Engine crashes. Huge thanks to Michael AR for suggesting me to do this, but the 35 years of Thomas Tank Engine video that he sent me was over 40 minutes long, and I wanted to just talk to you guys and set some new guidelines for the My Leg videos. I love your guys' suggestions. You guys have suggested me to do annoying orange deaths, Tom and Jerry mishaps, and all kinds of fun stuff, and I definitely plan on uploading those videos as well. But I really don't want these My Leg videos that go on for longer than 20 minutes. Like I said, the original big long video of like Thomas Tank Engine crashes was over 40 minutes. So I'm decided to make the My Leg for Thomas the Tank Engine a two-parter. You know, part one being being 20 minutes, and the other part being like also roughly 20 minutes more or less. So tonight, this is part one. If you guys want it to be, that is. I will do all the crashes from Thomas the Tank Engine with Spongebob as my like sound effect from the 1970s till whatever on. And if we can get this video to 9 likes, let's do it for 9 likes on this video, and I will get to work on a part 2, which will go from like whenever we leave off to 2019 when that video ends. So yeah, if you guys want me to make a part 2 for this video, just give us a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below so you guys want me to My Legify next. Anyways, this has been your man TV9. Thank you so much for understanding. Stay beastly, and of course, sit back, relax, and enjoy the cringe.
Of the tarpaulins in the air. Bumped inside the carriage. A big patch of road onto the track. And suddenly, the roof collapsed behind him. Buffers into the trucks, and they crashed and smashed through the boards. Out of the way, and rode himself. Controller and bumped into the air, crashed into the buffers. His trucks in the diesel oil. Long time it was into the side. Water was up to the Thomas tipped trucks into a buffers. And he backed into the barriers. He just needed and he biffed his trucks into the flying so they burst through the bars, smashed through oil drums stacked on the wall, splashed, crunch, right under the hopper. Toby splashed through the puddle, the bucket. To the ground. The mud rocks.
With a mighty splash crates come down. Rumbled and rumbled into the sea below. Bed of crashed and smashed into the water. Fling snapped. Flatbed of Joby would then. More rock rumbled down. It bounced off their boilers and fell.
The apple off the track. Rolled everywhere into the Thomas had 4 freight cars. A popping cork bubbles. It knocked his hit the big
Yes, you are.
And Bertie the Biff was against a flatbed of oil drums. Thomas chuffed and chuckled. Biff bash bosh, Percy. Kevin watched Thomas and Percy's new shunting game. Flatbed with a clang and a bang. It wheeled. Kevin lift the oil drum. It skidded into Spencer. Then was one slip and he made his fall with a terrible fall through the track with a roll over his tree. Diesel reversed. Vintage to stop me. But too big for the now. Easy Rocky. Rotten oil drum right onto edge. Slapped on the toe. He dropped his camera. Shook and shuddered. It wobbled and it rolled to the ground and into the sea. What a surprise! The crates of fireworks, and with a crash and a bang, the crates broke open. Fireworks whizzed everywhere.